So if you realize today my setup is a little different. Today I'm on vacation and I'm in the bathroom shooting a video because today I wanted to show you my travel skincare routine. Now, it's just so coincidental that a lot of the stuff that I brought were Jamaican made. So I just wanted to show you guys what I bring when I'm on vacation, and just to show you these are some of my everyday products for the most part, and just to give you a few ideas of what is there on the Jamaican market. So I'm going to put on my bonnet because I don't want my hair to get wet, and then I am going to show you my skincare routine. Alright, let's go. So starting off, I'm going to be giving you the Honey Vera Turmeric bar, which I showed you guys in my haul video. This has slowly but surely, well, rather quickly, become one of my staple products. Like, it has helped my skin improve, and if I show you a picture of like 2 weeks ago, pimples, no, my skin is improving, where it's mainly just scars in the previous pimple spots. So you know it's working. Alright, I'm just gonna wash my face and then I'll be back. So because it's a soap bar, it's a lather, and recently I've been using the 60-second rule. I saw it on YouTube by YouTuber Golden Skin RX, and it's basically just rubbing your skin for 60 seconds straight, which helps to open up the pores. Right, lather, and then after 60 minutes, or 60 seconds, you wash off. Alright. So I'm just here lathering for the 60 seconds, and it said that you can sing like, "Now this is the story all the way around." You know, Fresh Prince of Bel-Air song. Lather, rinse, repeat. But I don't repeat. If you know where that's from, kudos. Alright, so I just washed my face, all squeaky clean. Next step I'll be doing is exfoliation. Now, the brand I'm using is I Love Sweetness Coffee Scrub, and this is their coffee and peppermint. This is their coffee and peppermint. They have different flavors, coffee and charcoal, straight coffee, but today I'm using coffee and peppermint. Alright, so I poured it out, and this is how it looks like, actual coffee grounds. I don't want to make any spillage, and I'm just going to exfoliate. So there are different types of exfoliation. You have chemical exfoliation and physical exfoliation. This is a type of physical exfoliation where it's going to scrub off the dead skin cells. I know a lot of people prefer chemical exfoliation, but I like my coffee scrub. You know, I like it. So just add water and then you just exfoliate, scrubbing off and getting rid of the dead skin cells. So I am just exfoliating because it's time for exfoliation. Alright, I'm just being a little weird, but still. Scrub it up down. When I come back, I would have washed off the face scrub, and then we'll get to the next step. So a while ago, I just used water to activate the coffee scrub, but sometimes when I'm trying to double up, I will just lather it with the soap and just do both at the same time. Alright, so the next step will be masking. Now I have 2 masks with me here today. No, I'm not going to use both. Now this is the Earth Elements Turmeric and Lime Mask. This is one of my OGs. Like, I've written about it, I've spoken about it, I've posted about this. Like, if you don't know that I love this mask, I don't know what to tell you. But I also picked up recently this pumpkin spice mask, or pumpkin anti-aging mask from Morgan's Creek, and that is what I'm going to be using today in the spirit of fall weather and pumpkins. So this is the mask. Now you just leave it on your skin for around 10 minutes and then wash it off. So I'll show you how it looks when it's on, and then I will wash it off after the 10 minutes and come back. Alright, so this is how the mask looks. Oh my god, it smells so good. Let me just quickly show you how the turmeric and lime one looks. Alright, it's a nice little yellow curry paste looking kind of substance. Trust me, A1 from the day one. And this one, delicious. It smells kind of like oatmeal, you know, pumpkin spice, if you've ever had that. Delicious. Now, so I'm just going to be putting it on and I'll be back. Alright, so with most of these products, a little goes a long way, so you don't need to just be guacking on anything. I usually use a brush applying it, but today, because you know I'm on vacation and I left my brush at home, I just apply it with my fingers. Now the ingredients are water, stearic acid, emulsifying wax, pumpkin powder, bentonite clay, and you know bentonite clay is that OG to help those impurities out. So you know, good product. Now it's a little bit tingly and burning on initial, but after it dries down it tends to be a bit better. But if you do feel it constantly burning, tingling, or if your skin has any irritation to the product, then just don't use it. It's not for you. It's not for you at all. But other than that, just sit back, relax, and just, you know, enjoy the show. Now, I know you're on vacation, so this is not something that you're doing every day. This is just like maybe one of the nights. Most times, you just wash and moisturize and go to your bed. Or in the morning, wash, moisturize, put on some sunblock, and you're good to go. But this is just for a little bit of pampering while you're still okay. You need to maintain your skincare routine, even though you're no longer, you know, at home. Like, vacation doesn't mean pop down. Vacation does not mean letting yourself go. It means making sure that you still keep your routines, but you may just cut back on all the stuff that you will do. Alright? So when I come back, it will be time to rinse, and then I will be applying my moisturizer. Alright, so this has been on for around 10 minutes now, so I'm just going to wash off and then get on with it. Get on with it. Alright, okay, I'm going to stop now. Alright, so look at all this dirt from my face. I know it's a little bit nasty, but see, like, it works. Now, the next step for me is usually to tone. And the toner that I use is from Earth Elements. It's this Peppermint facial toner. And like I said, a little goes a long way with these products. Alright, so I'm just pouring the toner here. And then just wipe along the borders of my face, under the chin. And then I just wipe up in upward motions. Around my mouth, on the side, back over my nose, across my eyes. Now, lately I have really been upping my skincare game, and I also wipe behind the ears and as well as the neck. Because lately I've been really upping my skincare game, because good skin is better than just trying to cover it all in makeup. Makeup is fun and all, but just makeup looks so much better on well taken care of skin. So the next step, today I have 2 moisturizer. So this one is the Earth Elements Vanilla Moisturizing Cream, and this is for skin and body. And then this is the oil-free moisturizer from Morgan's Creek. Today I'll be using Earth Elements. This moisturizer, this is how it looks. Smells so good. Oh my god. Whew. And aromatherapy is like a big part of it. Like, but if you're fragrance free, I prefer fragrance free products because you may have some allergy, then this one is a little bit the better option. But I like good fragrance. I think aromatherapy helps to put you in the mood for just relaxation, and I love the scent vanilla. So alright, and this is just how this one looks. They're both white. This one is an oil-free moisturizer. Oh, one last thing before you do. Also moisturize under your neck, guys. Your neck needs some love too. TLC. Help prevent those wrinkles and go up. Now, there are other products that I use, but they're not Jamaican based, and I'm really not using them tonight because for me, most times, moisturizer is the last step in my skincare routine, and that signals I'm done. And since I already put on my moisturizer, that is the end, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing my skincare routine. It is the travel version. The other version is a little bit different using other products, and if you want to see that, just tell me. I'm here. I'm here for you, so you guys can know what's up. Alright? So, until next time, thank you for watching this video. If you've made it to this far, you guys are awesome. I really appreciate the love and support. Until next time, bye. Peace.